can see through your hair.
You can see through my hair. Whee! And it is changing my life. It's making it more difficult. Why? My hair. Oh my gosh, I just chopped it. Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out Korean hairstyling hacks. Now, ever since I got back from Korea, I've been really into Korean hairstyling. As you guys may have seen, I got like the best hair makeover ever there. And since coming back, I've been trying to chase those hair goals. So I kind of got sucked into a black hole just watching all these Korean hairstyling techniques and videos on TikTok and Instagram. I ended up saving a bunch and we're gonna try some out today. So let's jump into the first one. So this technique is to create root volume. So what he's doing here is doing a zigzag part down the center, and then he's gonna grab these two little rollers and pop them on either side to lift the hair up, spray some volume fixing spray, hit it with a hair dryer, and then the magic happens. Ta-da! We have root lift. Now, if you guys have seen my hair perm video, I'm sure you're wondering, what happened to your perm? How come there's no volume now? Well, root perms don't last that long. I think it was like 2 months max because your hair eventually grows out. So I don't know if you can actually tell. This is where my root perm is now. So it's kind of just like, there's like a very tiny, slight little dent here if I let my hair dry naturally. So it's kind of grown out to there, hence why my hair is back to being flat. So that's where this technique comes in. Let's try it out. So let's do the zigzag part. Let me try that again. Maybe I gotta do it a little bit deeper. I got my 2 mini rollers here. You can find them online for very cheap, or I think Daiso even has these. A section, and then place this under like that, and then repeat on the other side. Like that. I'm gonna hit it with some hairspray and then apply some heat. Let it cool for a little bit. I hope this works. And then take it out. I see some lift. Can you guys see it? There's like a little bit of lift. I mean, it worked, but his one looked so high. I'm gonna try to do it where like my front is. Okay. Can you see that?
Oh, I can see through your hair.
You can see through my hair. I mean, I see it better when I do it right at the front. They just need to make longer hair rolls so you can just do the whole section at once, because I mean, you can only do these like short sections along your hair, but if they just make a long roller, we can do that in one go. Okay, it works, it works. I think this is actually better than teasing the hair because you just get that volume where it's most noticeable, if you know what I mean. It's okay. The next style is a pretty popular style. It's one of those like little buns or updos with the spiky bits sticking out. So first she ties a low pony, but she doesn't loop the hair all the way through. She leaves it, and then the part sticking up, she twists that and then feeds it back into the hair elastic so the little bits are sticking out now. Adjusts that top loop so it looks like a bigger bun, and then voila. We have this low updo that's cool and trendy. How to do that on myself. Should I sit? I'll sit with a chair like this.
Also, you can see your bare back.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do it. I have no mirror or anything, so I'm just gonna have Zen guide me, okay? Wait, I feel like I gotta show my pathetic hair tie that's just hanging on for dear life. We've all got a loosey-goosey one like this, guys, that we haven't let go yet. Actually, I have 2 of them. So tie, leave the pony, twist, twist, twist. Try like that.
Yeah.
But my hair tie's too loosey goosey. Wait, I gotta use a stronger one. Take 2. like? What does it look like? Does it look like trash? I mean, I got it, but I didn't get it at the same time. Like, it should be like this, right?
Yeah.
I just need longer hair. Okay, that just doesn't work. Kinda, it's half a style. I need a pin.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, it just doesn't work very well if you have a lot of layers. If you don't judge my hair so hard, it looks okay. It's like effortlessly cool. I'm just gonna blame it on my layered hair, but if you guys have hair that's mostly the same length, I think this could work for you. Oh, and obviously if you have longer hair too. Difficulty level is actually not that hard. It's just more making it look neat, and that's just because of the layers I have. Next. I watched this and I thought it was quite easy looking, but here, let's watch it together. Okay, so start off with a high pony, section half of it, tie it in the middle, and then create a little space in between, loop it through from underneath to the top, and then loop the rest of the half pony. And you get this sort of like bow looking thing that you can pin up. And it looks cute. Like it looks easy to do, but her hair does also look like it's an even length. I thought I could try it with like 2 sides. Do you guys remember that hair makeover? The K-pop makeover, the hair part, she did like these really cute bows on either side of my head. And I thought, oh, wouldn't it be nice if I kind of could do that using this technique? I'm just gonna tie 2 pigtails. Like I'm in primary school. Cute. Can you see what, this is what I have now, guys. So like I could do like a full bang, except it just looks a little bit weird because I permed it to the side, so it doesn't want to stay in the center. Try to get them even-ish. That's one way to make me feel 10 years younger. Now I feel like I'm not gonna have enough hair to do the bow.
It's gonna be like
the smallest bow. So I'm just gonna tie this section here, split it, and then tuck the bottom like that, like spin it upwards. And then he kind of fixes it. I don't even know if it's a he, but that person kind of fixes it. And then what? Pulls that part through. I mean, is that looking like anything? Me being ambitious, trying to do 2 bows on either side of my head. Now I realize I don't have enough hair. It doesn't look great. It doesn't look great from the front, which is a problem. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna stay true to the tutorial and just do 1 pony. 1 pony. Is it?
This tiny bowl. On the side it looks ridiculous though.
Really? Mine's just a little bit lopsided, so I'm just trying to tweak it a little bit.
It looks like a heart. Like.
No. No, I ruined it. So Zen helped me out and kind of adjusted my bow to make them a little bit more even and symmetrical. It's a style you could achieve by yourself, but I feel like it's a little bit hard to just, you know, get it even, so an extra hand does help. Like, what do I do? What happens with that part? I just live with that part like that.
This is a cute Disneyland look.
Yeah, if I was going to Disneyland, maybe I would try, you know, wear this hairstyle. I just need ears, like the mini ears. I don't know if you guys noticed, but all the tutorials are from an account called Chahong. They're a hair salon in Korea, and I think they get all like their hairstylists to share their tips and tricks, hence why there's just so many of them that I've saved. This next one is showcasing their hair curling product, and it's teaching you how to create the S curls, and this is what I've been trying to achieve ever since I came back from Korea. So first she puts like a roller on her bangs and then does C curls at the ends on her bottom layer using the hair curler. And then she's got this brush tool attachment that she's just using to create like softer, bigger waves. And then She spritz on some hairspray and ta-da, you see this like soft S curl happening. How? How? It reminds me of like K-drama celebrities, K-pop artists. They just have that effortlessly like done up hair. It's not like super curled, but it's nice like waves. I actually went out and bought this in Korea. This was available at Sephora and it's the Chahong hair curler. So it comes with this like 2 attachments, the ones that we saw in that video. This is like a hair roller and it attaches onto the hair curler. Basically it's like one of these big hair rollers that you see a lot of Koreans use. This one, however, has like a metal layer inside that helps retain the heat from the wand. And then what's really cool about this curler is that it spins, it rotates. So if you have trouble like curling your hair and it's hard to like twist and turn, I guess that's where this comes in handy. So I'm just gonna part my bangs. What is happening with my hair? I've got like all these like little short bits and these long bits, but that's my hair. So I can feel it's a little bit warm. Oh my god, oh my god. Is it stuck? That scared me. It's the first time using it, guys. Okay, there's a little button at the back. Ta-da! So the next part, she does C curls on the bottom layer. So I'm just gonna section my bottom layers like that. Okay.
J curl.
It's a J curl. It's pretty much a O curl at this point. It's like touching itself. That's more like a C curl. That's like an O curl. Sorry, but scared myself. Next, she uses these. This is like a brush attachment. This I'm kind of scared of using. I feel like it's knotted and it's stuck. How does she let it keep spinning? Why? Why isn't it as easy to use as her tutorial? What? It's just getting stuck. It's because my hair is like really damaged or something. It doesn't want to like move. I mean, it does curl. I just don't know how she does it so effortlessly. Maybe I'll do a smaller section. I think I'm getting there, guys. It's literally my first time using this, so. Okay. We're getting there. The struggle is real. I really want to make this work because I spent like 200 bucks on this curler thinking that it would change my life because it came from the Korean hair salon brand. And it is changing my life. It's making it more difficult. Why? Ow. It does the rotating for you, but then your hair gets stuck. I mean, it kind of did work though. What? I don't know how to feel. It was difficult using this, but I kind of like the results now that I kind of just fluffed it together. Yeah, I have to just get through that process. How did that struggle create such a nice... And this is what I was after, you know, like the Korean hair, it's just effortlessly wavy. No pain, no gain. Let's do it all over again on this side.
One eternity later.
What do we think? I mean, it's not bad. Okay, let's see. Let's see if my bangs work. Okay. How? I don't know how this, what just happened, guys? I'm actually very happy with the results, but I'm mad at the process. It's just just tricky to use. Like sometimes I feel like, yeah, I've got it. I just have to hold it at this angle, and then the next minute my hair is like getting stuck in this brush. So it's a little bit annoying, but just looking at my hair now and the techniques like the C curl, the little roller, and then that mess with the brush, it actually gave me pretty nice results. Like it's got body, it's got volume here, a little bit of root volume here. I want to say that it does deliver, but getting there is hard. Now, when it comes to framing the face in Korean hairstyling, your sideburns or the little wispy bits on the sides are really important. And this next video shows you how to cut the perfect length. So this person is rolling the hairs or the sideburns around a little roller just one time and then snips off the extra length. Then he proceeds to style the bangs, and then he adds heat to the curls on the side, removes them, and then you've got this like nice C curl sideburns. It's an important detail to help you look more youthful. I actually have trimmed sideburns myself. That's them. It just makes it look, I don't know, a little bit more natural. Like it kind of frames my face, makes me look a little bit younger, if you know what I mean, as compared to this. So I feel like mine haven't grown out that much. Let me just do the roller test. So if I just wrap it around the roller, it does kind of loop over once, and there's just a little bit that I could probably trim off. So I'll just trim off the excess bits. Ooh. I probably don't really need to trim mine, to be honest, but I do want to trim Zen's. I didn't even add heat, and you can kind of see that's what they look like. Okay, Zen, you're up. Welcome to my hair salon. Dude. Okay.
A lot of hair for you to chop.
Wow. I feel like you just didn't think that you'd come to work and get a haircut today, right?
Ooh.
See that? Sideburns for days. So grab the hair roller, loop it around. Dude, there is so much to cut.
Oh my god.
Goodbye, hair. Oh my gosh, I just chopped it. Okay, other side, loop it around.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I actually chopped off.
So much hair.
I can make a brush with this. Spritz on some spray in there. I have a feeling I need to thin this out, but we'll see. I'm nervous.
Oh.
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 Oh. Hello. That's actually a really good trick to cutting it. That's all the hair techniques I'm going to be trying out today. Let me know which technique you guys liked best. Also, if you guys want to see more videos like this, and if you have any hair hacks that you want me to test out, let me know below. I think I'm just a big fan of like my little sideburns here and the zigzag part. As always, if you guys are new here, make sure you click subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay updated with future videos that I post, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!